In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Darktable settings. Whether your interface feels cluttered, a module isn't behaving the way you expect, or you simply want to roll back an experiment, I'll walk you through the practical ways to get Darktable back to a clean, familiar state without guesswork. First, let's open the Preferences window. Look for the gear icon at the top of the interface. Clicking this opens the central place where most of Darktable's behavior can be adjusted. Inside Preferences, a handy tip is that you can double-click on any settings label to instantly reset that specific option to its default value. The label is the text next to the control, not the value itself. This is a quick, precise way to undo a change without affecting anything else, and it's great when you know exactly which toggle or slider you want to revert. If your layout is the issue, panels moved around, modules hidden, or the workspace just not looking right, you can restore the default view panels. In Preferences, go to the General section and click Reset View Panels. This returns the UI layout to Darktable's standard arrangement, which is especially helpful if you've been experimenting with panel visibility or positions and want to get back to a known starting point. It's a layout reset, not a change to your image edits. While you're editing, you can also reset individual module values. Each processing module has its own reset icon, usually shown as a circle with a line. Clicking it reverts that module's parameters to their defaults for the photo you're working on. This is ideal when a single module, like exposure or color balance, went too far and you want to start fresh without touching the rest of your edit. Think of it as a per-module safety net. Finally, if you want to reset all settings to factory defaults, it's important to know that Darktable doesn't provide a single button for that. Instead, you'll need to delete or rename its configuration files so the application rebuilds them the next time it launches. Before you do this, close Darktable and consider making a backup copy of your configuration, especially if you've created custom presets or tailored preferences you may want later. When Darktable restarts, it will recreate clean configuration files and behave as if it's freshly set up. Your original image files are not altered by this, but keep in mind that preferences and customizations will be reset. That's it. Use these options as lightly or as thoroughly as you need, from a single setting to a complete reset, and you'll keep your Darktable experience smooth and predictable.